Okay, hi everybody, it's Letitia. Today we are doing an amazing back to school thrift challenge with all these amazing people. Hey guys, I'm Naomi.
I'm Anna. Olivia.
And so today what's gonna happen is we are putting all these different styles into a hat, so like grunge, preppy, girly, and depending on what we draw, we each style an outfit out of that. So I have my outfits styled as well as this extra outfit challenge, and you guys have to check out their channels to see how their outfits turned out. So be sure to subscribe to everybody's channels. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Oh my god. Oh,
Artsy, girly,
tomboy.
let's go guys.
Okay, let's go.
4 girls at a thrift store. Okay, I have this dress loosely put on, and it's super cute, but I think it's very small. It's like a little too small. But look. Inception. Cameraception. Naomi, where's yours? Come on now.
You guys.
Yeah, I lost control.
Look at all this stuff.
Oh no. I just wanted to point out that these are and other stories, which you can't get in Canada. They're not my size, but they're amazing. Maybe I'll make them my size. Wait. Oh, it's tight. I'll always be drawn to baggy jeans, and this white pinstripe suit was one of my favorite pieces. The pants were too big, but the blazer fit perfectly. Luckily, I was able to purchase it separately. While girly was my chosen outfit, I actually had a bit of a challenge with that. I always like to mix elements, and being too specific in a style is not really my style. This white summer dress looked a little aprony, and I tucked the straps in. Without the t-shirt, it would be such a cute dress with sandals, but since we're going for a school look, layering a t-shirt underneath is a great way to turn a dressy piece casual. This pink ribbed t-shirt is first super soft, and it matched perfectly with my sneakers, the only piece that wasn't thrifted in this outfit. The idea of wearing a blazer to school seems uptight, but this pinstripe piece works so well with a denim skirt and boots combo. If I didn't have the blazer, I'd be in a tube top and mini skirt, which would probably be against many traditionally patriarchal dress codes. The blazer really is the glue to this outfit, and everything except the backpack and tube top is thrifted. I mean, I stole this tube top from my mom, so essentially that's better than buying anything, right? Both outfits are a testament to taking traditionally formal pieces and making it work in a casual situation. Okay guys, so we changed it to our outfits. You guys have to check out their channels and see what kind of styles and how they styled their different themes. Be sure to subscribe to all of our channels. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!